वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे द कन्वर्सेशन क्लास। सो गाइस, उस दिन मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया था। आई हैव डिस्कस अबाउट टू थिंग्स। द फर्स्ट वन वाज हाउ आर यू and the second one was how do you do, and I have explained to you. Please, guys, try to understand, try to get the points which I'm going to make you understand. So, two things we have discussed that in our previous class. That was the first one was how are you, and the second one was how do you know, where we use uh, the question how are you, and where we use the question how did you do. Actually both are the same. How are you also, you're asking someone same question how do you do, but they, as I told you, the difference. Okay, now today we are moving little bit forward. So uh, uh, we ask some questions. Usually these questions are being used. So after all this, sometime mostly guys make mistake like what is your father name. Now guys, here mostly guys are making mistake. According to English grammar, this sentence is not correct. What is your father name? No, you can put apostrophe s. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? So, this is the right sentence. So, anyways, today we are going to discuss something about the biography, how you can present your biography. So, like few questions. What what is your what is your qualification? What is your qualification? How means they are asking about your uh, uh, they are asking about your educational details. So how you will answer? I have done MBA, okay, or I have done MBBS, or I have done BDS, or I have done whatever is your qualification. You will write it here. Okay, so the first one, we'll just change the color so you can get it better. Let's suppose I'll put this color. No, this is so dark. So let's suppose I'm going to put this color. I'm going to put this color. So yeah, so now this one was now this one was your first question. Now let's suppose uh, what is your experience, guys. Here I want to tell you something, that according to the new phonology of English language, R is being read very slightly, like it's if we let me tell you something, uh, few things with your correct pronunciation. You know, pronunciation is very important. Like here I have word so, we call it so. So it's being so. Okay, uh, we write it sir, but we cannot say sir. It's so. It's so. You can pronunciate it very slightly. Somewhere, some letters are very silent. If not silent, and they are being read very slightly. So as it's so, we can say now. What is your experience here? We put it. What is your experience now? If we come down now, we make it. I have 8 years. I have 8 years of experience. I have 8 years of experience. Now, how many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? I have 6 siblings. What is your nature of work? What is your nature of work? My nature of work is about medical. Now, the next question, possible question would be, where are you graduated? Where are you graduated from? Where you done your MBBS or BDS? So let's suppose I'll put I have done my MBBS from China, China Medical College. So, guys, in this method, you are going to make few sentences regarding your biography. I have told you the way. Now, you can make sentences. The more you practice, the more you learn. The more you practice, the more you learn. So it's not necessary you can do also whatever sentence I have made. No, you can change it. This is the way I've told you. This is the way I have told you. Now you can create your own. You can create on your own. But these are the way. In this way, if you will do it, definitely I'm going to tell you very soon you are going to improve your English and you can speak very fluent English. This is the way. And second part, now I have decided 2 days I'll give you grammar class, rest of the other I'll give you speaking class, and tomorrow I'm going to ch- teach you some vocabs and as well as some idioms, so you can use them in your sentences. You can make more sentences. So guys, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon, so the if my new video will come, so you will get notified and you won't miss the new video. Thank you very much for understanding, and if you have any question, please do write me in your comment section, so that I can so that I can uh, uh, so that I can understand you better. I can get make you understand better. Anything if you have, you can write in the comment box.